single side. These are the lamp posts provided with bends having high radius 75 x height of the mounting, so that it will reach to the center of the road. This is not especially used for the straight road. You may have some internal roads, you may have corners. At that place you can provide. Okay, and we are having the another outdoor lighting scheme, that is what flood lighting. Flood lighting means the lighting arrangement which is provided for the large surface illumination. Especially they are using powerful lamps or powerful projectors. So flood lighting. This flood lighting especially used for the hoardings, like advertisement, used for illumination of public places like gardens, museums, momentums, ancient buildings, prestigious religious places, prestigious buildings, churches, temples, festival occasions, forts. So aesthetic flood lighting for enhancing the beauty of the what we can say the incredible structures. So this flood lighting is used. Particularly the artificial lighting that we are projecting to increase the beauty of the such places. These projections are done through many directions, eliminating all shadows on the surface that is to be illuminated. Okay. So many times there is a question, maybe either in interview, maybe in your engineering examinations, offline, what is flood lighting, where it is used, what is purpose. People don't know, especially they don't know what is flood lighting. So right from this the question starts. So what is flood lighting and where it is especially used? When you are having nowadays, this is about the increasing the beauty of the city, increasing the beauty of the ancient glory, gardens and what we have discussed. Then industrial and commercial flood lighting. Now we are having the industrial complexes like illuminating railway ads. Then we are having in modern days indoor sports stadiums. You may have big constructional sites. You may have industrial campus. You may have by car park. Big, especially we are having big car parking in the commercial important buildings. Here also the flood lighting can be provided. Then I told you like hoardings and advertisement. To illuminate the advertising boards, illumination of showcases, attention regarding the displays, that is what we have. Commercial hoardings, exhibitions and public posters. or publicity for the posters. This is a point of attraction. Now we are having the different concepts of advertisement. So big hoardings are provided on the roadsides. Hoardings are provided in the major places or major locations in the cities. During night hours, you are having these different neon sites. Another, you may have that attraction of the particular hoarding that is made by using the floodlighting, by projecting the light lamps from various directions. So floodlight, especially, it is a projected light. So a particular type of reflector it is used in floodlighting, where you are having the concentrated illumination or concentration of light, and you can create a narrow beam. So that is known as a flood projector. So you can have the narrow beam, which is the intensity of light is very high, so that it will be the more attractive point or point of attraction. Many materials that use for reflection surfaces, like their materials are the silver glass, there are chromium plates, stainless steel plates. So these reflections are used to increase the illumination. So materials and with their shapes, these materials with certain shape, they are used as a reflectors. So reflecting surfaces, it is made either of falling this material particularly and their shapes. Based on the particular requirement, silver glass and chromium plates are good, but cost is there, then you can have the stainless steel. But permanent installation of the cast metal, especially this particular is made up to achieve the robustness. You may have protections against weather, you may have protections against, because normally the reflected should not get eroded, should not get corroded because of the rain, because of the weather, because of the moisture. So when the reflector get damages, naturally the intensity of floodlight goes down. So that temporary installations and permanent installations that you have to take care. If you have temporary installations, then you are having different provisions. Now you know that we are having these flood lighting schemes in our ancient ports, like Raigad, Shivneri we are having. So in Mumbai also you can have the particular place what we can see good flood lighting scheme, that is a Hutatma Chowk. So where we can have the permanent structure of the flood lighting. So when permanent structure of the flood lighting is there, then you have to take care of corrosion, erosion and all this, and use the material of reflection light. Temporary you can use sheet metal, or you may have the stainless steel metals, because you are using, so the cost it is again depends on the type of flood lighting, whether it is permanent or whether it is temporary, and the importance of that also. Flood lighting, that particularly light from a powerful projectors, we know its other meaning of particularly is the UPS artificial light projected from many directions, eliminating all the shadows on the surface that is to be eliminated. So normally what it has been said, by any direction if you see, the reflection of shadow or shadow rings required to be eliminated, and the illuminated portion or projected portion must be highlighted to the person who is seeing that. So that is main aim of flood lighting. Okay, so this is also outdoor type of lighting. You might have seen there are various what we can say, especially it is a commercial outdoor lighting installations. Okay, so any doubt regarding this?